Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a wonderful educational game designed specifically for 2-year-old children. This game is not only fun but also incredibly beneficial for their development in multiple ways. Let's delve into the world of this game. Imagine a page filled with colorful pictures, animals, shapes, and everyday objects that capture a child's imagination. Your little one's task is to carefully cut out these pictures. This simple activity alone offers numerous benefits. Firstly, it enhances their fine motor skills as they manipulate the scissors with precision. It also improves hand-eye coordination as they aim to cut along the lines. Once they've mastered the art of cutting, they move on to the next phase of the game. Here's where the magic unfolds. On another sheet of paper, they'll find the same pictures, but this time in black and white. Now comes the challenge of matching each colorful cutout to its rightful place. This step is not just about pasting, it's about problem solving. They learn to identify patterns, spatial relationships, and how parts fit into a whole. This cognitive exercise stimulates their brains in ways that lay a strong foundation for future learning. Beyond cognitive development, this game also nurtures creativity. As children decide where to place each cutout and how to decorate their scene, they exercise their imagination. They might create stories about the characters or invent new uses for the objects they see. This imaginative play is crucial for their emotional and social development as they learn to express themselves and interact with their surroundings. Language development flourishes during this game as well. As you engage with your child, discussing the colors, shapes, and actions of the pictures, you're enriching their vocabulary and understanding of the world around them. This verbal interaction builds essential communication skills that are vital for their future academic success and social interactions. Moreover, playing this game with your child strengthens your bond. It's an opportunity to share in their discoveries, celebrate their achievements, and guide them through challenges. Your encouragement and support during these formative years contribute significantly to their self-confidence and motivation to learn. In today's digital age, providing children with screen-free, hands-on activities like this game is more important than ever. It balances their exposure to technology with opportunities for sensory exploration and tactile learning. It encourages them to engage with the physical world and develop essential life skills. As parents and caregivers, you play a crucial role in shaping your child's early experiences and learning opportunities. By introducing them to games like this, you're not only fostering their academic readiness but also nurturing their curiosity, creativity, and love for learning. So, I encourage you to try this game with your little ones. Watch as they marvel at the colors, concentrate on cutting, problem solve during pasting, and grow in confidence with each completed picture. Together, let's empower our children to explore, create, and learn through play.